Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 Google Drive tips every user is supposed to know. Now, the first one is file share permission. Now, if I want to share any file with any of my clients, or I want to share any file with somebody, assuming this is the file I want to share with the person, all I need to do is to right click and then go to share and then click on share. Now, what is going to happen is after this file load, you need to just provide a person's email account over it. So assuming I'm sending to this email, immediately I do that, I need to specify whether I want the person to be a viewer, editor, or a commenter. So mostly I would like the person, if I don't want the person to download it, I can set it as viewer. The person can just view my content and he or she will not be able to download it. But there's additional settings that you need to actually pay attention to. You can click over here, the gear icon, and then make sure you uncheck this. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. So you can just uncheck this for security reason. Assume you don't want a person to be able to download and then use that file. You can actually uncheck this, and then you can just go ahead and then share the file with the person. You can just click on send. The person can view and do whatever, but the person will not be able to download that. So basically, you can set this file permission, and then you can share this file with any person at all you want to. Now, the next one is about searching for file. Now, if you want to search for file here, if I want to search for any file and I just go ahead and start typing the file name, it's going to give me several lists of the files over here. But you can search file specific to a folder. So if I try to sort this by folder and I go to folder here, you can see I have several folders over here. So if you want to search file relating to a folder, or you know where exactly the file is located, is in the folder, you can just go ahead and right click over here, right click on the folder, and then all you have to do is go to file, and you can see over here, if you go to file information, you go here and then click on search within folder. This allows you to search within the folder. You don't need to go through the entire Google Drive and be searching. So if I go here and then I want to search for anything, whatever is within this folder, that is what is going to come. So if I go ahead and then I'm trying to search for any information related to me and I have it any other way within Google Drive, it's actually going to just give me that information only within my folder. So that is another nice way of actually searching for a file within a folder. Okay, the next one is how to rename a file. How you can rename a file in Google Drive. So now basically one interesting thing is that if you want to rename a file, it's easy. I can actually right click on that file. I can right click and then go ahead and then rename this file. You can see I can actually go ahead and rename this file. There's another shortcut to do this, and that is very easy. So what I can do is if I select the file, I can just press the N key on the keyboard. Just press the letter N on your keyboard, and it's actually going to give you that option to be able to rename your file. You can actually use the same process for a folder as well. So assuming I'm dealing with folders and I want to rename any folder, I can just select that folder and then press the letter N on my keyboard this way, and then I can just rename that. So that is simple as that. Now, the next option, which is the fourth option, is how to view your files. So if you have several files and then you want to view those files, sometimes you want to sort it by name, or maybe you want to see a preview of the file. That will be very easy to go about. So if you come to the top right here, you can see we have the grid view and then we have the list view. At the moment, I've just switched this to list view. So it's going to show me basically with the names, the day this file was modified and all that. But I want to look at a preview of this file. All I need to do is to switch from here, the list view to grid view, and it's going to give me a preview of the file, and that will make things very simple for me. Okay, so you can use this to actually sort out file as easy as possible. Okay, and the last part is actually how you can customize folders. So if you want to customize your folders, at the moment you can see I have several folders over here. Assuming you have plenty of folders, you can sort them or you can customize them using colors. So I have my business info here. I can just right click. By default, you can see there's having a dark color, the folder color. I can just right click here, and then when you go to organize, you can actually give a color to a specific folder. So you can see I've just changed this color. So basically, if I have a folder which is relating to finance, I can easily do that and maybe probably change that color to a green. Go to customize or organize and then go to a green color. So you can actually sort your or organize your files or folders using colors. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. I have more tips to share with you. Like, subscribe for more. Bye bye.